Yes, you, mommy.
So what are you cooking, young man?
I'm cooking ein Bauerntopf.
Ein Bauerntopf. What is Bauerntopf? Can you explain
Farmer's
to us?
pot.
Eh?
A farmer's pot.
A farmer's pot.
Grounded meat, potato, and paprika.
Okay.
Bell pepper.
Bell pepper. No oil in the pot.
Not yet. I have to mix it. Meat a bit.
What happened to your finger?
Nothing.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Mr. Chef cut his finger while he cooked
Slicing
potato.
Because somebody disturbed me with a discussion.
Oh no, we were not discussing with you.
No, but you was discussing something funny.
You were doing aproko. Just say that.
I was listening to your conversation.
You were doing aproko. So I was having a very nice, funny discussion with Ashley while we were on the table, and Dude was cutting potato, and the next thing we hear, ouch! And what cut his finger? He said it was me. What did I do? He said my conversation. Dude was really, really interested in the conversation that he forgot himself and cut his hands, his finger, sorry, his little thumb. And then you sure know who can get this, what's it called? Plaster. You sure know that because we were four here. So Heavily brought the plaster for him. Like, Dada, I have a plaster for you, don't worry.
It's not good anymore.
Is it distracting you?
Yeah. Can't put anything with the plaster on my tongue.
Chef Robert is in the kitchen, guys. Daddy is doing his job. My darling husband showing us his cooking skills. What?
Hands off.
I'm only helping you because you were not there. He wasn't here and I was just helping him. Guys, can you imagine that I helped this dude to turn what he's cooking before he get burnt because he wasn't here, and then the next thing he had to show me.
It was not getting
guys,
burnt.
did you see that? Did you see her face? Now, who in my house? Comment in the comment section. Who in my house do that face? Comment in the comment section. You guys definitely know who does that. Like father, like son. They both Robert and Richard are just the same. They are the same. Nothing you going to tell me. You see how much it is that you wanted to cook with that pan. Robert is in the play mode today. That is why he went and cut his finger.
No, because you distract me.
I didn't distract you. I wasn't talking to you. I wasn't having any conversation with you. In fact, I was at your back.
Yeah, what's the issue?
You're only doing aproko, interfering with your ears. Enough of potatoes. Yummy. Already give it veggie.
It's not veggie.
I know. It's veggie you are cooking.
It's not.
I didn't say you are cooking vegan. I said veggie. How do you look at me like that? But I didn't say you are cooking vegan food. You may need a bigger spoon, Shad. You need my energy to
9.
turn. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Sure you don't need my energy to turn it?
Ask again and I use that to flog your bum bum.
Somebody want to flog my bum bum.
Just have to put more water.
Yep, because potato is so much. I'm Robert Director.
Huh?
And nothing. Did you guys hear anything? I didn't see anything.
What did you say?
Nothing.
Top setting.
Sorry.
Oh.
Look at the way Robert is turning. Like he's turning a very heavy stuff, amala. But Shadna, you have energy to turn this. When I ask you to turn amala for me, you cannot turn amala for me.
What?
When I ask you to turn puree for me, then you'll be like, I don't have energy. I don't know if I can do it, but look at the way you were turning just now. Very nice. Don't put your mouth inside, dude. Who teach you how to cook like that? Eh? Did your wife teach you how to cook like that? You want to test something and your mouth is right there inside the food.
Yes, my wife teach me.
No, I'm not the one because I've never done that before. And it's ready. Come and join us, guys. Our porridge is ready. Potato porridge.
It's not porridge.
It's porridge. When it comes to Nigeria, this is porridge. It's potato porridge, chat.
Oh, alles gut?
Let me carry you.
Let's go.